Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my third lesson. And in this lesson, we will learn about the ratio and proportion, and we will solve question number 3, page 106, part A, B, and C. Let me read the question number 3. In the question number 3, they said you have to read what each child is saying and work out if it is true or false. So, in the part A, the sweet pink paints is mixed so that there is 1 part of the red paint to every 5 parts of the white paint. In 1.2 liters of sweet pink, 1 liter is white paint. Now, we have to see what they has given to us in the statement. According to the statement, the ratio is given, that is 1:5, because they said 1 part of the red and 5 part of the white paint. So we will write 1:5. They said that 1 liter is of white paint. So first of all, we have to see how many liters they has given. 1.2 liters means in 1 liter we have 1000 milliliters, and we have to write 1000 milliliters of, like, 1000 milliliters or 1 liter, we can say that are 5. How we can get the from 5 to 1000, and which factor we have to multiply with the 5, and we can get this one. So when I will multiply 200 with the 5, I can get 1000 value for the white. And now the question is that from which factor I have to multiply with the 1, and I can get the value here, and when I will add this value, I can get 1200 milliliter here. Now similarly, I will multiply the 200 with the 1, and I can get 200 here, the red one. And according to the statement, there is a 1 liter of white. So when I will add 1000 with 200, it will be 1200 milliliter. So according to the all statements and all values, this given statement is true. Now moving towards the part B. In the part B, they are saying, in my jar of marbles, 3/8 of marbles are red, and if I have 24 marbles in the jar, then 16 of them must not be the red. Now we have to see what they has given to us. They has given the ratio of red one 3/8 and the total marbles 24. We have to find the red and not red. They said not red are the 16, and we have to find this statement is true or not. So 3/8, the fraction of the ratio is given. So when I will multiply with the 24, I can get 3 here. 8 4s are 3. 8 3s are 24, and 3 3s are 9 here. 9 will be down, and I have to find the second one value. When I will subtract the first value to the given value, 24 minus 9, it will be 15. So I have 15 not red marbles here, and in the statement the child is saying there is a 16 must be the not red. So according to the solution, this statement is not true, or this statement is false, you can see. Now the part C, they said the ratio 3:4 is the same as the proportion 3/4. We have to see this is true or false. The ratio 3:4, the total is 7 holes are there, because we have a ratio from one component to the other component, and the proportion that has given 3/4. This is wrong, because in proportion we find from one component to the whole. So we having a whole are the 7 here. So the down one denominator is not 7. So it is clear that this statement is false. You guys have to do all these questions on your classwork notebook, and I will upload the next lesson soon. Thank you.